Hello guys, it's me again. I know I made a video today already, but like I said, I wanted to make a video of my dog. He is like super cute. You guys will be all like, aww. He's my hunting dog. He's a raccoon dog, and he's a walker hound. He's really smart too, and he likes tearing stuff up though, and digging holes. Here he is. Hey, look at yourself. Look at yourself. Come on, this way. Let's go. Come on, Sam. His name's Sam, by the way. I didn't name him. My grandpa's brother named him, and I just kept the name because it's a hunting dog, like I said. What? You like my shoes? Oh, you little boy. Sit down. Come on, Sam. Sit down. What the? No, Sam. What were you trying to do? Trip me? That is a swimming pool. It's all crappy. So we put it over his dog box so he could keep the rain out. Sam, come on. Don't hit my tablet. Come on. You okay, Sam? We put it over his box so when it rains, it'll just run off because it's got holes all over it. But he tore it up and like just drag it off, drug it off. No, Sam, what are you doing? Let me step out of your little trap here. Oh, he likes this pink and purple ball right here. Whoa, Sam, you got a knot in your... Go get it. Get it, Sam. Get it. No, not me. Don't get me. Get the ball. Whoa. Oh, shit. What's happening, Sam? What's up with your... What'd you do? Sam? Sam, you're being so stupid. You got slobber all over my hand, man. Here. And go fetch this out of one of your holes. Dude, come on. There you go, Sam. Aww. Why is this so... Sam, did you like... Whoa, Sam. Calm down. Let me try and fix this for you. Get off of me, Sam. Come on, Sam, let's pull. Come on. Okay, no, not gonna work. Thought it would unravel over there. Oh, I got this. The game of shut up. Hey, Sam, all it took was you to pull. Ha ha, James.
I'll push you into him and see how you...
Come on, man. Come on, you can't beat me. You can never beat me. Hey. One-handed. Go get... Sam, good job, man. Woo. Take the ball. Take the ball. Come on, Sam. Come on. Climb that tree, man. Here, come here, Sam. Come on, Sam. Yeah, come on. Come on, Sam. Sam, come on. Sam. 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 Sam! Come here! Good boy. Just got my screen all wet with your wet nose. Oh, look at it. Look into the... No, Sam! You're gonna get stuck forever. Come on, Sam. This way. There you go. Now, I swear, if I step into some dog crap of yours, I'm gonna be totally ticked off. Sam, do you even get any sleep at night? Your, like, eyes are so red. Do these other dogs keep you awake all night? I heard there was a coon out here last night. Did you kill him? Where'd you put him? Where'd you put the dead body? Come on, let's go. Let's find him, Sam. Sam! Stay. Oh, you need water? Where's your food? And you need food. Gosh. Dang, Sam. I was sure Grandpa fed you this morning. Oh, I see what you did, Sam. You're trying to escape, are you? Yeah, I guess that'll have to work. Here, let's try and get it. There we go. That'll have to do ya. Oh, great. I think I just... Oh, fuck. I'm gonna have to go wash these shoes off. Sam, because of you, I stepped in dog crap. Good job. You know what? Because of that, I think I'm gonna feed you later. Yeah. Sam, come on. Don't you do it. Don't even, Sam. Sam, I will get on my bike and hit you, man. Oh, hey, you're Autumn. Hey, you're Autumn. Hey, you're Autumn. Oh, good.
I'm playing the Xbox. What's on your shoe?
Dog crap.
Ew. What's on the end of it?
Dog crap.
Yellow.
Probably a little bit of dog pee.
You want to put this on Minecraft, Winky?
Go ask little Kevin.
Well, you have to be guaranteed.
Hey there, Autumn.
Otherwise, he's gonna be guaranteed to say, "Wait, are you on the internet video?"
Hey there, Autumn. Hey there, Autumn. Yeah, I completely forgot I was making this YouTube video for a minute. Sorry you had to see all that dog crap on my shoe, man.
I'm not. It's funny. Oh, wait. Is there anything in it? No.
No, it's empty.
Okay. Okay. Drive.
Look at my... Ow! Look at my bike,
Right.
guys. I sit on the floor. It's got this kickstand. Let's go.
Alright. I'll ride your bike.
Get off my bike! You got your...
I know, but yours is... Let me go. It's okay, because there's crap on the handles.
What? Where?
I felt it. Now it's on you because you yanked me off.
You're stupid. It was probably you.
Probably.
Okay, yeah, it's good. Okay, guys, well, this is gonna have to be the end of the video. If you liked my dog, please subscribe, like this video. Hope I see you guys some other time. So, peace out. Subscribe if you like my dog, please.
I like to subscribe.
So, goodbye. Subscribe!